Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be treating with you the power law. This is another law of indices. So all these laws you're expected to know so that you're able to solve indices effectively and efficiently without stress. And EMATS is going to do just that for you. You're going to learn it in a simple way, in a simple style. So the power law: if a number which is raised to a certain number is again raised to another number, let me put it this way: if a number, let's say you have a variable x, is raised to a certain number raised to power a, and is again raised to the power of b. Now, how do you resolve this? It's so simple. You're going to bring this together. The power law states that it's going to be x raised to power a multiplied by the power that is outside the bracket. So it becomes a x raised to power a times b, which becomes x raised to power ab. How did I get this? Don't forget that I said if a number is raised to a power and again raised to another power, what you do is multiply both powers together. That is how you get the final result, which is x raised to power ab. For questions on this, if you have 2 raised to the power of 3, then raised to the power of 2, how do you solve it? So it becomes, you follow the same way you solve this. So 2 raised to the power of 3 and as well raised to the power of 2. So it becomes 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2. So it becomes 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2. It gives you 6. As simple as that. So if you have this same question as, let's say you have 4 raised to the power of 3 times 2 raised to the power 2, then everything is still raised to the power of 2. So how do you solve this? So this becomes 4 raised to the power 3 times 2, because this outside power affects everything inside here, affect the power of 4, affect the power of 2. So it becomes 3 times 2, 3 times 2 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 2. So these two affect 3 and it becomes 3 times 2. These two affect this, it becomes 2 times 2. So it now becomes 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 gives you 6 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 gives you 4. You can as well break this down to its lowest form. Now, if you solve for that, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 into 6 places, you multiply 4. What will it give you? So when you do this using a calculator, which is 4 raised to the power 6, it means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have times 2 into 4 places, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this gives you, if you use a calculator, you will get 4096 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives you, which is 4 times 4 gives you 16. So when you multiply this together, you're going to have 65,536. So that's the final answer to this question. So from here, we actually arrive down to this place because we made use of our power law. And mind you, there's another way you can solve this question. Now, let me quickly run through that. So you have 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 2, everything raised to the power 2. So we can solve everything in a bracket first before raising them to the power of 2. So you have 4 into 4 times 4 times 4. 4, that is 4 into 3 places. So you have, this gives you 64. So 64 times 2 raised to the power 2 gives you 4, which is 2 times 2, and everything raised to the power 2. So you now have 64 times 4 gives you 256. Then don't forget that you still have the raised to the power 2 outside. So 256 raised to the power 2. We're going to get the final answer. So you have 65,536. So you can see that these are the same answer we have. Thank you for watching this, and make sure you subscribe to eMaths. Don't forget that eMaths will always teach you mathematics in a simplified form. Always stay tuned and make sure you click that subscribers button and like this video. Watch out for more videos.